Here I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. So conditional formatting is found in the Format menu. So I'm going to highlight my column B by clicking on the B, and I go to Format and Conditional Formatting. On the right-hand side, a box pops open where you can now set your conditional formatting rules. So for range B, I can choose if I want to format the cells only for cells that are empty. I can do things based on certain numbers. So I could say only if the number is greater than 3 is it going to fill with green. I can, do specific text that I'm searching for. Another one that I really like is this color scale. And so with color scale, you can make it change colors based on the response number. So I use the middle one, the green to yellow to red, a lot when I'm asking check-in questions where 1 is horrible and 5 is great. The only problem is that by default, it kind of is golf rules where the low value is green and the high value is red. So in this case, I just click the paint bucket to swap, swap it. So I'll make that red and that green. And so now it makes this range red to green based on those specific values. You can also do conditional formatting based on a specific word. So sometimes when there's heavily text responses and I'm looking for specific words to follow up with, if I do text contains, and maybe I just want to see who else has the same favorite ice cream flavor as me, I can fill it with that color, or I can choose to, make the text a specific color or both. And so now anytime that pops up again, it would also automatically apply that text formatting to any future cells. So for this, I can, put in more numbers and it will just keep changing those color ranges as well. So if it's within the range, it just adjusts the range. So it makes it really easy to visualize data and visualize responses, especially when it comes to Google Forms.